Good day everyone. Today our passage is about the compass and its importance in history. Compass is a very big discovery in the world. A compass is a tool with a magnetic needle that shows direction. Before the compass was invented, people used natural signs such as the sun, stars, wind, and birds to find their way. The Chinese invented the first compass by using magnetized iron. At first, people used it on land and later in the sea. This invention helped sailors travel more safely and find new places. Europeans used the compass for long voyages and exploration, and Muslims used it to find the direction of Qibla for prayer. Today, the compass is still important and it's used in ships, airplanes, and outdoor activities like hiking and camping. The end, and thank you for your attention.